Welcome to the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at newsramp.com. It's Tuesday evening, July 22nd, 2025, and we have a lineup of health, fitness, and wellness headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So, grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline. National BHRT expert Donna White to keynote speaker series in South Florida, following FDA roundtable on hormone health in July. Donna White, a national BHRT expert, will be the keynote speaker at the $1 Million Message, The Future Is Now event in South Florida on August 29th. With over 30 years of experience in hormone health, White is a pioneer in bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. Following the FDA's recent roundtable on hormone therapy, White's message on empowering patients and practitioners with evidence-based information is more timely than ever. Attendees can expect insights on topics like the difference between synthetic and bioidentical hormones, the impact of the WHI study, and how to apply the latest research in clinical settings. Joining White are other keynote speakers discussing wellness, tech, and personal growth. The event promises a vibrant mix of entrepreneurs, tech founders, and wellness professionals, with VIP perks available for those seeking premium networking opportunities. White's recent ebook, The Bioidentical Hormone Revolution, offers a myth-busting guide for anyone looking to take charge of their health.
Q&A with Alicia Hunt, Navigating Healthcare During a Job Transition. Alicia Hunt, a Portland-based marketing executive, recently shared her experience navigating healthcare during a job transition. Hunt, who lost her employer-sponsored coverage, found alternatives to COBRA through the post-employment platform When. By exploring other options, she was able to cut her monthly health insurance costs in half and stay with Regence Blue Cross. This financial savings gave her the breathing room to focus on her career transition. Hunt emphasized the importance of seeking trusted guidance when making complex healthcare decisions, especially during times of professional uncertainty. She highlighted the value of having someone to provide objective support and help navigate the overwhelming healthcare system. Hunt's experience serves as a reminder for others facing similar transitions to explore all options and not be afraid to ask for help.
ReAlta's pegtarazimod shows promise in reducing brain inflammation in newborn HIE study. ReAlta Life Sciences announced the publication of an article showing the ability of pegtarazimod to reduce brain inflammation in a preclinical model of HIE. The peptide reduced levels of microglia and inflammatory factors in the brains of HIE animals. These findings build upon Phase 2 STAR trial data, showing elevated MPO levels in newborns with HIE. Pegtarazimod treatment decreased microglial recruitment and reduced MPO staining, demonstrating potential to improve outcomes for HIE babies. The STAR trial is currently evaluating pegtarazimod in newborns with moderate or severe HIE, targeting both humoral and cellular inflammation. ReAlta's dual-targeting peptide platform aims to address rare and acute inflammatory diseases by rebalancing the inflammatory response. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit NewsRamp.com to read all of today's news.